Very good morning. Since we are all first year, there was a starting problem, various sectors. So it's a good start for our Excel College of Pharmacy. One day continuing education program in emerging trends in pharmaceutical sciences. Because this is the need of the hour, where the last 10 years there is no much takers when it comes to pharmacy point of view, or the awareness of IT sector is more, so people prefer engineering. Now the job market in IT sector is finding its own toughness, so people started migrating to what are all the rare fields, medical field, whichever is available, they are ready to take up for their studies. So now it's the time where you get people in medical sciences, paramedical sciences. At the same time, the competition is also coming up, so we must be equally talented, not only taking up this course in a positive way, we have to enhance our own individual skills in the right direction. You have to set the goals in the right direction, and you have to work to attain that goal. So in such a way, we have organized this one-day program under the guidance of the principal and other faculty members of our Excel College of Pharmacy. And the guests were also invited in such a way where they have to give ideas to our own students, not only to our own Excel students, and also to the students who are from nearby institutions who are willing to participate in our program. So I should thank the management and principal and faculty members for sending the students to participate in our program along with their own faculty members. So it's a good start, since even though in the first year we were able to conduct many programs, and as a part of this we are conducting this one-day event. So I wish the Excel College of Pharmacy has to do many programs where the students has to be given more and more ideas in the field of pharmacy. Before the stage of final year, each and every student should have an idea and vision, what is his next future, or where he has to settle his life, in which area he has to proceed further. He should have that clarity. Only with that clarity we can proceed to the next level, because so many institutions, new institutions, old institutions are increasing the seats. So the course will have its own toughness. At the same time, the job market is also increasing. The increasing job market and the area of interest should be known to our own students who are inside our campus. So in that part, I hope this will give a very good idea to our own students. So I wish all the best for this program, and thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.